land of 1,000 lakes, and you can park by the beautiful lake.
We are both from Saimaa region. When you go to Finnish map on the Google Maps and put satellite view on, you can see that place where it's Saimaa. There's also 1,000 lake around, so every time when you are here you are trying to find a place to just by the lakes. Yeah, this is like our mind place where our minds are, so always just by the beach. Yeah, this is Päijäniemi. It's really nice place. There is 2 sand beaches and good services, you know, for motorhomes or for tents or people coming here with their sailboats and docking here. Yeah, really nice. We are preparing some food in a moment and just enjoying evening here. Maybe take chairs out and enjoy the sun. Yeah, even if it's a cloudless day, it's not too hot. Yeah, I got my long sleeve on, so it's also a good part of Finnish summer. It's not too hot. Yeah, Spain was too much. This is perfect. Even if we have all the time in the world, we buy a lot of not ready-made meals, but half-made meals. We have all the time in the world. We really have all the time in the world, so we should make actually more like this kind of food. Yeah, this is my favorite food. Just using carrots, palsternakka, it's in English, and some potatoes and some crumbled bread to make steaks. Yeah, it's fun to make food together.
Yay! I love being here with the clean water because we can use the lakeside water to boil our potatoes or brew a coffee or whatever. It's a great bonus when you live with the limited water. One sucky thing when you cook in a van, the space is so small, you have to do dishes right away. When you are slow cooking, you need to do dishes while you are cooking.
Trying to mix everything together, but we have so little bowls and everything, so even 3 carrots and 1 palsternakka and a couple of potatoes, it's totally full already. So it's kind of hard to mix them. Yeah, we usually don't do this like really big portions, so I think we will be eating these for a couple of days. I'm just rolling our steaks at the sand. This is places that I will love. Water, sunset, beer and sauna. Oh, yeah. Sun don't go down at all, so it will be the whole night. It will be sunny.
I just love this adorable sauna hut, and this look at totally different. One of my sisters completely renovated and decorated this place, so now this is all white and like a sea theme. And the best part, the sea is really close. And this sauna was built like 100 years ago, so you could build a sauna top of the sea. Nowadays you need to leave a land between the sauna and the seashore. But our sauna here in seaside is kind of unique because it's almost floating in the sea. So the water is really close.
And best part of every sauna cottage is sauna itself. Oh. Yeah, almost 100-year-old sauna. We're gonna just enjoy here. It's, I think, plus 60 at the moment, so to us it's perfect. We like not so hot sauna, so plus 60 to plus 70 is perfect for us. And when you are just sitting here, you have the seaside view here from this window. And one important thing, this is a wood heated sauna, so not electrical. It's totally different game. Totally different. Yeah, bathing in a sauna is totally different game than bathing in anywhere. In our own shower, endless showers that we call normal showers, or yeah, even hot baths. Your pores will really cleanse itself, and yeah, relaxing as hell. Plus good beer. And pro tip, take a little bit of water, little bit of beer, and you can have rye bread smell in here. Ah.
So this place is owned by my family. It's in Turku. We absolutely love coming here to calm our nerves. It's next to the sea and it's a really beautiful place.
Yeah, there's a lots of seashore and also lake shores, and all of them are full of summer cottages. I think there are over 2 million summer cottages in Finland in total, so every family, or almost every family, has a summer cottage. It's really common to actually own a summer cottage with the family and like extended family.
Yeah, and share
it and just
it's just a communal thing.
These are always, when you are owning something together, it might be really
bit problematic.
Yeah.
But luckily so far we are in peace with our family, so everything works wonders. And because we were away quite a long time, there's a small project that we can take part of.
For example, the pump that pumps the water here
from the well.
Yeah, it's really rusty and also iron inside of it. So we are installing new filter system so we can use the water in sauna and also to boil coffee here.
Yeah, and we do collect the rainwater because the seawater is quite salty.
Summer houses are places that you come here for enjoying of nature and
primitive
relax.
Settings.
Yeah, we don't have running water inside of the house.
But we do have electricity, so this is not an off-grid cabin.
It's a luxurious thing that we have electricity.
Yeah, and we of course plugged our dear Vandal foam to the grid.
Yeah.
So
no need to use LPG for the fridge. We have some food in our grill, so let's enjoy evening and some great food. Grilling some num-nums. Yeah, there's a lot of meat and things that we bought from Germany. Yeah, they really know how to make good meat. We got 2 snakes in Finland. Another one is Vipera berus, and that is the, what is it called?
Beach snake.
Beach snake, Finnish. Yeah, that is harmless snake. Yeah, and the Vipera berus, well, it's not really poisonous, but it's it hurts when it bites. Yeah, we were actually doing some cutting work around the sauna, and we know that under the sauna there is a snake that is living there, and there he is. Yeah, travel mates are going out because we are in Finland. There is no filling station for LPG, so we are taking our normal puddles in use. So we can use a LPG fridge and heater during the Finland time. Yeah, it's sad that we don't have those in Finland because it's so convenient way of getting LPG. But getting rid of those, it's easy as changing the bottle. There's just two extra hoses that I have to unscrew, and that's it. Otherwise it's totally same as changing the bottles. One task that we wanted to do here in Finland was paint all the rock chips that are on the paint. Yeah, 25 euros costs paint with your car color code that is found underneath the hood. So these are professional made paints that are used also the real professionals painting. Now it's just an amateur trying to do something, but it should be quite easy. I started with the chips that are basically they are hidden, so if everything goes failed, it doesn't matter that much. But yeah, gonna paint those away and let's see what other places we paint. Näyttääkö tosi hyvältä?
Niin näyttää.
Not professional looking, but it protects our skin of the van. That is the most important part. Ja, men det sounds. Our mosquito net is again working. So string replacement be yearly. 2 years we always replace the strings, and they last for 2 summers. Yeah, bad design. Well, the mosquito net itself is really good because you can take it off when you are making food, so it doesn't get any grease. And when you need the mosquito net, you just pull it here to the door. Really good.
I'm so excited about our new headboard. It's not this fabric like at all, it's a fake leather. The other one is still a fabric. And this is so beautiful. I really love it, and I'm glad Joni let us to change it. Now I can swipe it with the wet towel. And it was pain in the ass to install. There are some bubbles and stripes, but they are underneath the pillows. And this one corner we are not really proud of it because it got loose. But it's okay. Yeah. Fake leather, so it's a plastic headboard. And now our heads and greasy hair can touch it. And we don't care because we can always clean it. Yay. Yeah. Emptying our composting toilet. It's not the cleanest job. But it's okay. So putting new coconut coir.
Yeah, we have 3 family summer houses. For example, this where we are at the moment. There's an outhouse, so there is a composting toilet already. So we have place to let the shit hair to compost to be ready mulch after a couple of years. Yeah. Here it lasted for 1 month and then 2 years in a compost here on the summer house. And that was actually one of the reasons why we bought this, because we have so many places where we can compost the shitter after it has been in a shitter.
Yeah. And worst case scenario, we can just put it in the biodegradable bag and double bag it and put it in the trash can. But we are hoping we don't have to do that ever, because it kind of defeats the whole ecological purpose.
Yeah, but this is the most ecological way of pooping.
Yeah.
Not flushing it with drinking water and then draining it to the sewers and going through all those chemical things, and then they are separated. And yeah, it's an efficient system, of course, and it's working great for humanity to not pollute every water source around the populations, but this is the most ecological way of pooping.
And I think we did a little mistake at first because our compost was too wet and soggy. We kind of put too much water there in the beginning, so now we just try to make a little drier patch.
Yeah, we put like I think 3 or 4 liters of water to the coconut husk.
Yeah.
And because we eat a lot of vegetables, our poop is like
very moist and big and fluffy.
well, compared if you are eating a lot of meat and not fibers. So that's why we are not putting any water to the coconut core and see how that affects the result. Now it was a little bit too soggy, but not like problematic. It wasn't smelling. Yeah, there are millions of composting toilets in Finland and we know how to do it. We have different kind of composting toilet. This is separating, so pee and poo is separated. While in a composting toilet, usually in Finland, they don't separate poop and pee. Pee goes through the poop and drains away. So it keeps the mass moist. And also there's nutritions that we use. We can actually put there a little bit of nutritions, so the composting will be much faster. Yeah, it's very well known and widely used in Finland in composting toilets. Kompostiheräte.
Joni went to the roof. He is using his climbing harness to check the condition of the roof because it's an old roof and the tiles are falling, so I think we need to renew it in a recent years. Our time here in the Amityville villa has come to an end. We have enjoyed really much. We have done small project to our van and just enjoyed this place a lot. And soon we will see my sister and her husband and meet them. So whole point of being here in the Finland is meeting our friends and family.